Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 50 nature vocabulary sentences in English. Nature is beautiful, colorful and full of amazing things. These easy English sentences will help kids improve speaking skills, learn nature words easily. Are you ready kids? Let's discover the wonderful world of nature together. Let's start. Nature vocabulary sentences. Sun, the sun shines brightly.
Sun, the sun shines brightly.
Moon, the moon glows at night.
Moon, the moon glows at night.
Star, the star twinkle in the sky.
Star, the star twinkle in the sky.
Sky, the sky is blue.
Sky, the sky is blue.
Cloud, the cloud looks fluffy.
Cloud, the cloud looks fluffy.
Rainbow, the rainbow has many colors.
Rainbow, the rainbow has many colors.
Rain, the rain waters the plants.
Rain, the rain waters the plants.
Wind, the wind blows gently.
Wind, the wind blows gently.
Snow, the snow is cold.
Snow, the snow is cold.
Fog, the fog covers the road.
Fog, the fog covers the road.
Landscape words. Mountain, the mountain is tall.
Mountain, the mountain is tall.
Hill, the hill is green.
Hill, the hill is green.
Valley, the valley looks beautiful.
Valley, the valley looks beautiful.
Forest, the forest is full of trees.
Forest, the forest is full of trees.
Jungle, the jungle is dense.
Jungle, the jungle is dense.
River, the river flows quickly.
River, the river flows quickly.
Lake, the lake is calm.
Lake, the lake is calm.
Ocean, the ocean is vast.
Ocean, the ocean is vast.
Waterfall, the waterfall is amazing.
Waterfall, the waterfall is amazing.
Island, the island is surrounded by water.
Island, the island is surrounded by water.
Plants and trees. Tree, the tree gives us shade.
Tree, the tree gives us shade.
Flower, the flower smells sweet.
Flower, the flower smells sweet.
Grass, the grass is green.
Grass, the grass is green.
Leaf, the leaf falls in autumn.
Leaf, The leaf falls in autumn.
Plant. I water the plant.
Plant. I water the plant.
Seed. The seed grows into a plant.
Seed. The seed grows into a plant.
Root. The root grows underground.
Root. The root grows underground.
Branch. The birds sit on the branch.
Branch. The birds sit on the branch.
Bush. The bush is near the path.
Bush. The bush is near the path.
Bamboo. The panda eats bamboo.
Bamboo. The panda eats bamboo.
Amazing nature words. Butterfly. The butterfly flies around flowers.
Butterfly. The butterfly flies around flowers.
Bee. The bee makes honey.
Bee. The bee makes honey.
Nest. The bird builds a nest.
Nest. The bird builds a nest.
Rock. The rock is hard.
Rock. The rock is hard.
Sand. The sand feels soft.
Sand. The sand feels soft.
Soil. Plants grows in soil.
Soil. Plants grows in soil.
Cave. The cave is dark.
Cave. The cave is dark.
Desert. The desert is hot.
Desert. The desert is hot.
Volcano. The volcano is huge.
Volcano. The volcano is huge.
Glacier. The glacier is made of ice.
Glacier. The glacier is made of ice.
Earth and environment. Earth. Earth is our home.
Earth. Earth is our home.
Environment. We should protect the environment.
Environment. We should protect the environment.
Air. We breathe clean air.
Air. We breathe clean air.
Sunrise. The sunrise is beautiful.
Sunrise. The sunrise is beautiful.
Sunset. The sunset looks colorful.
Sunset. The sunset looks colorful.
Spring. Flowers bloom in spring.
Spring. Flowers bloom in spring.
Season. Each season is different.
Season. Each season is different.
Summer. Summer is warm.
Summer. Summer is warm.
Autumn. Leaves fall in autumn.
Autumn. Leaves fall in autumn.
Winter. Winter is cold.
Winter. Winter is cold.
Amazing job, kids! Today we learned 50 nature vocabulary sentences, easy English speaking, and amazing nature words. Now you can talk about nature confidently in English. Keep exploring, learning, and protecting our beautiful planet. Great job, kids! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye.